Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change every other line color in Excel. Okay. Select the color. You select the full table. You select single, multiple line. Hold Control. Oh sorry. Again select on row. Hold Control and select your line. Then go to color palette and select color. Okay. Again go to border options, line colors, red. Now select the or double click, hold Control and select any other, all border. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.